A futuristic cityscape at sunset. Are you ready to witness magic like never before? Well, hold on to your seats because today I'm about to unveil a truly enchanting device that will leave you spellbound. Close-up shot of the Honor Magic 6 Pro. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the magnificent Honor Magic 6 Pro, the epitome of technological wizardry, designed to make your wildest dreams come true. Fast-paced montage of the Honor Magic 6 Pro's stunning features. With its sleek and stylish design, powered by cutting-edge technology, this device is a true showstopper. It's like holding the power of a superstar magician in the palm of your hand. A person holding the Honor Magic 6 Pro while unlocking it with an on-screen fingerprint scanner. Witness the future unfold as the Honor Magic 6 Pro unlocks at the speed of light, recognizing your fingerprint in the blink of an eye. It's a magical experience every time you use it. The Honor Magic 6 Pro's vibrant and immersive display, showcasing a breathtaking landscape. Immerse yourself in a captivating visual experience with the Honor Magic 6 Pro's stunning 6.76-inch Super AMOLED display. It's like having a portal to another world where every video, photo, and game comes to life. A person using the Honor Magic 6 Pro to take stunning photos. Discover the art of photography with the Honor Magic 6 Pro's breathtaking quad-camera setup. Say goodbye to blurry and uninspiring shots because every single photo you capture will be a masterpiece. A person enjoying a mobile game on the Honor Magic 6 Pro. Gaming enthusiasts, get ready to level up your gameplay experience. The Honor Magic 6 Pro's powerful processor and enhanced gaming features will transport you to a realm where you can conquer every challenge with ease. A person wearing the Honor Magic 6 Pro using it to measure their heart rate while jogging. But wait, there's more. The Honor Magic 6 Pro isn't just a smartphone, it's a health companion too. With its advanced health monitoring capabilities, it keeps track of your heart rate, sleep quality, and much more, ensuring you stay fit and fabulous. A person wirelessly charging the Honor Magic 6 Pro on a sleek charging pad. No need for wands and spells to charge this mighty device. The Honor Magic 6 Pro supports lightning-fast wireless charging, making sure you never run out of power, even on your most magical adventures. People using the Honor Magic 6 Pro in various scenarios, showcasing its, whether you're a tech aficionado, a photography enthusiast, or a gaming guru, the Honor Magic 6 Pro has it all. It's not just a smartphone, it's a groundbreaking masterpiece that embraces the magic of life. The Honor Magic 6 Pro displayed with an enchanting background. So, my friends, if you're ready to unlock the extraordinary, to discover a world where technology meets enchantment, then the Honor Magic 6 Pro is your ultimate companion. Get ready to experience pure magic like never before. VO. Remember, with the Honor Magic 6 Pro, the possibilities are endless. Let the magic begin. Like the video, subscribe the channel and press bell icon